Hi everybody, Jackie here with Jim from 4Core Heating and Air Conditioning. How are you?
Good, Jackie. Thanks.
Good. So today we're talking about HVAC maintenance, and this is a really important topic. So what do people need to know about HVAC maintenance, whether it be a residential homeowner, a commercial building owner, a restaurant owner, or
Right. I think the thing they need to know is heating and air conditioning is, of course, a machine with moving parts, and they get dirty. And the big question is not if you're going to need preventative maintenance, but when. And I can tell you when you're going to have the breakdown. It's going to be when you need that piece of equipment the most. I like to share a story. Of course, residential, commercial. But commercially, we had a restaurant at one time, and we had this last heat wave. It was one of the worst days of the heat wave, and it was on a Saturday.
Yep.
Which on a Saturday, I don't have a full crew. We have the man on call. Well, the preventative maintenance customer I'm thinking about decided that it was too costly, or he just didn't want to do it at this point in time. But he called up Saturday with a full house of people wanting to eat at his restaurant. It was 87 degrees in the dining room. People were walking out. People were leaving. People were angry. And of course, he called our man on call, who was overwhelmed, and said, "I need you immediately. I'm losing business." And we did the best we could. We got out there later and addressed his issues, but they were all preventative maintenance issues. Dirty filters, dirty coils, loose belts. Everything could have been avoided. This moment of high anxiety and lost customers could have all been avoided if he would have just diligently did his preventative maintenance. And this is a common story. It happens with residential. It happens in every form. Would you go without changing the oil in your car? And if you had a major breakdown, not if, when you have the major breakdown, how big is that $20, $30 oil change going to loom in your thoughts if that's the cause of your breakdown?
Right.
It's the same with the preventative maintenance on your heating and your air equipment. The cottonwood flies, the condensers get blocked. The filters are continually getting dirty. Burners get dirty when you're operating. So any machinery needs preventative maintenance. Don't think it doesn't and it's just going to somehow take care of itself.
Right, and last long. It's not going to.
Exactly. And it will fail when you need it the most. I never get a no air conditioning call in the middle of December, and I never get a no heat call in the middle of July. It's going to be when you're depending on that equipment the most that it's going to break down on you. So preventative maintenance is a good investment.
It's a good investment. Now, how often, if you are commercial, how often do you need to get preventative maintenance typically? And if you're residential, how often should you get your preventative maintenance done?
Well, residential is pretty predictable. We do a fall tune-up and filter change. We do a spring tune-up on the air conditioner filter change. That's good enough for residential twice a year. Commercial depends on your business.
Right.
Now, if you've got a restaurant and you want exhaust fans looked at, you're running 24/7. Your filters may be packed and maybe need changed every 2 months.
Right.
So we can put you on a schedule that is right for your business.
Right.
So you may just need a spring tune-up for your air conditioning and a fall tune-up for your furnace, but you may need about 3 or 4 filter changes in the middle.
In the middle of that.
Yeah, and then in the summertime, you may want to go through your exhaust fans to check the belts, lube the bearings, grease the bearings. So preventative maintenance will really make your life a lot easier. It's the old adage, pay me now or pay me later. It's much easier to get it done at your convenience.
Absolutely.
And it's a peace of mind feeling, and it's well worth it.
Yeah, and it's more cost effective most of the time. So get on the phone today if you have not gotten your preventative maintenance done for the next season, if you haven't gotten your preventative maintenance done in your commercial building, your restaurant, your store, whatever it may be, get on the phone now. There's no time to wait. 4Core Heating and Air Conditioning, 330-630-2645 or 4coreheating.com. You can browse all their services on their website and contact them directly there for your preventative maintenance needs. Thank you so much, Jim, for talking to us about this today.
Thank you, Jay.